Here's how to activate your RapidPipeline plugin using an authentication token. First, log in. Here we'll show how to activate the Blender plugin, but the process is similar in all our plugins. Download the plugin and install it. Open the plugin in your app, and you should see a message like this one saying a token could not be found. Click on Create Authentication Token to get started. This opens a web browser and goes to the API Tokens page. You can also get to this by clicking on your profile and choosing Auth Tokens. Type in some text for your token. Here I'll type My Blender Token, but it could be anything really. The token is now ready to be copied. Note, this is the only time you will be able to copy the token, so make sure to grab it. Back in Blender, I'm going to check Use Token for future sessions, so Blender remembers it. Then I'm going to paste in my copied token. Also, I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Save Token. That's it. Now the plugin is ready to use.